Hey guys, so I ran out of time to do the video for a store closed. Store is closed right now. There's a Casablanca star in red. We couldn't get it to work, but I didn't work on it today. I'll show you what I worked on in a bit. That Westinghouse swirl needs glass. Thomas is still here. The little CEC is still here. There's a new Unbox Hunter. Hopefully nobody will open it up. This Encon still here. Minuet went out today. This Regency with bent blade arms went out today. This Hunter went out today. Brown's still here. Hampton Bay, turn of the century. Modern Fan's still here. That Hampton Bay is still here. Encon's still here. This is kind of cool. Gloss blade, Sears looking thing. GE Vent, can't really see it. Stupid Heritage, I didn't put it up there. One of those Emersons left. Thomas, poor Thomas. So. Back here. There. Not a whole lot new back here, except I'll show you. So give me a second to start the next video.